Welcome to simplyeducate.me. Let's see how a mango pulp weevil larva takes action when disturbed. After the unripe mango was cut open, this small larva tried to find its way back to the mango. It inched its way back to the unripe pulp instead of wandering to some other place. Now, it's back to its comfort zone. Its first instinct was to rebuild its hibernation chamber. Notice that the mango pulp weevil larva does not develop towards maturity in the seed, which its cousin, the mango seed weevil, does. The larva swerves its tiny head here and there, hitting one side then the opposite end. It's like a tailor, sewing a thread at one end, then attaching the other in the opposite direction. It gathers bits of pulp once in a while to rebuild the opening made by a knife. Now, upon closer look you will see the intricate web of transparent webbing. It's more obvious now because it successfully pinned several threads of thin filaments from its body. It builds its cocoon just like how a spider would. I never knew that before because deep inside the mango, we cannot see this happening unlike the spider that does it amongst the trees. It secretly builds its home inside the mango without us noticing. It's amazing how this insect adapts to changes in its environment. In the wild, they would have done so if anything happens to a growing mango fruit. The larva mends its house. That's why we could not see any damage to a growing fruit. But we want to get rid of it, because we consider them as pests that compete with our food needs. But what it does is to realize its role in the ecosystem where it thrives, fulfill its destiny to become an adult, then repeat the cycle once again after mating with other weevils nearby. Why then do they come in multitudes, that we can obviously spot them in the mangoes that we eat? Something that could cause us alarm due to its impact on mango farmers' livelihoods and consumer who find these weevils detestable for good reason. Did they live this way to harm us? Or perhaps it's nature's way of releasing the mango seeds right after they fall into the ground? Broadening our perspective would help us understand why these insects prefer to make the mango pulp their preferred homes. Maybe it's a sign that there's imbalance in nature that we need to correct. Don't you think the preponderance of the mango pulp weevil is due to indiscriminate pesticide use? Because the weaver ants, their predators that serve to balance the mango weevil populations, were gone? Let us know in your comments in this video. Thank you for visiting simplyeducate.me. See you soon.